In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A10, and let me show you how to activate or deactivate dial pad tones on this device. So at first, let's open keypad and our phone dialer. I don't know if you can hear it clearly, but currently, okay, so it's not this tone. And now you'll be able to hear it clearly that it's currently on. And if you'd like to mute it, or otherwise if it's muted and you would like to turn it on, open the settings, then find and select sound and vibration, and go to system sound right here. And here you can smoothly turn on or off dialing keypad right here. So just by using this switcher, you can manage your keypad sounds. And as you can see from now on, it will be muted. So this is it, that will be all. This is how you can turn on and off keypad sounds. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.